guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I monogram a backpack that I picked up from Walmart. I'm going to be using my multi-needle machine, and this is my 7.25 mighty hoop. I've already hooped it. I used some spray adhesive and a couple of pins to make it stick. So right now what I'm doing, I'm picking my colors, and you can see once the video gets started, I should have checked Sew It Pro. That's where I bring up my designs, and I could have paid attention to which letter was going to stitch out first, because the K was actually supposed to stitch out in white and the whole name was supposed to stitch out in blue. But as you can see here, the D stitched out in the white and the rest of the name is going to stitch out in blue, and the K is going to stitch out in blue. But it's okay. This backpack is just for me. It's not a gift. It's not an order. So it's going to be okay. And I just wanted to zoom in so you can see I'm really learning how to use the machine. I've only had it since May of this year. And because I work full time, I don't always get to play around with it and see everything that it can do. But I am learning as I go, and I'm really enjoying it. I have had a few issues with it, but I will say that most of the issues that I've had, if not all of the issues that I've had, it was user error. And I really love the Ricoma Connect group on Facebook. I've probably said it before in another video, but whenever I'm having a problem with my machine, I hop on there and I ask a question. I'll upload a video if I have a video, and there are some really helpful people in that group, and they are really quick to answer your questions. So I'm really enjoying the machine, and it's doing good. If you're watching this video and you are thinking about purchasing a Ricoma EM1010, this is the machine that I have. It is a 10 needle. Post any questions that you may have down in the comment section, and I will try and answer them as best as possible. I know there are a lot of people that kind of dislike Ricoma because there are a lot of people that have a lot of issues with the machine starting out, and people are a little kind of afraid to buy Ricoma. But if I can help you in any kind of way by answering any questions you might have, I would love to do that. almost done stitching out. The K is almost finished, and I am about to take it off the hoop and undo the pins and the stabilizer from behind the backpack. Alright guys, we're almost coming to an end. That K is going to finish stitching out. I'm not sure if you can tell right now, but the K is kind of covering the N and the I in my name a little bit. The K should have been in white and Danielle should have been in blue so that the name would pop. But like I said, it's for me. It's first time doing it. I still think that it turned out really cute. This video is about to come to an end, but you can see the final project. Guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Again, if you have any kind of questions for me related to embroidery or related to the Ricoma EM1010, leave them down at the bottom. And if this is your first time watching this video, guys, please subscribe so you don't miss out. And I will see you in the next video.